What is up YouTube? Redrix here. Today is a kind of a different video despite all the news about PlayStation, games, and even streaming, because today I'm doing the gaming room tour slash setup tour 2.0. So, to be honest, I already did film my game room tour. I even edited, but I feel that it's missing something. So like for instance, I just purchased this gaming chair and I wanted to do some more cinematic effects if I know how to do it. We'll see about this video. But so yeah, I'm just retaking the whole room tour again, and hopefully this one will be better. And you guys probably don't know what I'm talking about because you haven't seen my raw footage. But hey, if you haven't seen my 1.0 back in April, I think, or March, I'm going to link the video down in the description box down below, or just wait until the end of the video and then it would be recommended. So let's just get into the room tour. Alright, so this is actually my gaming corner, and I'm going to go through each and every one of my things bit by bit-ish. And let's just start from the top right corner. So this is actually the WWE ring and championship. It's just a kid's replica, so it's not the OG size, but hey, it's freaking cool. I just had to have it. And over here we've got my collector's edition, special edition boxes. Got the NXT. Some Assassin's Creed games, The Order. I've got 3 copies of Last of Us, don't judge me. And yes, I did pre-order the collector's edition of Last of Us Part 2. So these two are the LA edition for the PS3, and this is the remastered edition with Joel. Life is Strange, Little Nightmares, and yo, if you haven't noticed already, I am a Tekken fan. I'm going to South Korea to be the coach for the Danish Tekken champion. And here we have it, the Tekken 7 Collector's Edition. Woo! And over here we've got my instruments. We've got the Epiphone Les Paul, got my bass, and behind my gaming chair is the Fender acoustic Western guitar. So let's just dive straight into my setup right here. This PC is actually still quite new. I just purchased it back in August. It's the MSI Codex S. It's got the i5 processor 8400 as well as the GTX 1050. So the graphics card is actually not that new but not that old. It does the job very well as well. You know, for streaming, I don't see any lags. There's no frame drops. I can run everything on 60 FPS. I've got the internet for it, so it's actually a decent PC, even though it's not that huge, as you can see. I've got my headset stand right here, as well as the ring light. Let me turn it on. Oh! So I've got 2 different monitors, even though I wish that I could have 2 of these. This is actually the Asus gaming monitor, so I use this monitor to game my PlayStation on, and this is mainly for when I, search the interwebs. I see comments and check everything out on this monitor. This device over here is for the PSVR. I've got the Logitech C920, so you guys can see me on my streams. And this is the PlayStation webcam for the PSVR, funny enough. I actually also use this one to talk to through a party in PlayStation, because otherwise when I plug my headset in the controller for the PlayStation, the stream won't be able to hear my friends. So I have to speak through that, and the quality is actually decent. And here I've got my Havit mouse and keyboard. It's actually a mechanical keyboard, and I freaking love this one. I actually did an unboxing and tested out just for the fun of it, for all the lightings. I'm going to link that in the description as well, I think. So yeah, and here I've got all of my PlayStation magazines back in the day, back when we only had the PS2. Holy smokes, and you got some free demos when you purchased a magazine. Here we've got my white PS4 Pro. It's got a 1 terabyte of hard drive, so you can actually have a lot of games, but games these days, they need to have like 100 gigabyte of space to even just be able to play those games. Here I've got my Azori mic. Woo! Does the job well as well. And this chair, I just purchased this actually this week, so it's quite new. It's the MC Racing gaming chair. Actually quite nice. So moving over to my gaming collection. Oh, another special edition box. The 15 years edition with John Cena. Woo! Oh yeah, and we've got a piece of the mat from the ring when he won the WWE Championship from 2017 in Royal Rumble. So yeah, oh, here we've got this is my band, Capital of Nowhere. We've got second place when we were entering a competition for the best band in the city, but we got second. That's quite good actually. So here we've got my PS1, PS2, PS3 and PS4 collection. As you can see, it's freaking empty. I need more games for my PS4. And yes, this is actually my Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader lightsaber. I don't think there's any battery left. Hold on. Oh no! This is the Darth Vader one. What about Luke? Huh! So yes, I'm actually also a Star Wars fan. And I love these. Coming over here, we've got some DC. Superman and Batman. That's actually a frame with all of my achievements as a band. But I don't know where to put this up because everything is quite full. I don't even have space to put it there. It's too high. My couch. And coming over here, hey, there's a PS3 controller over there. This was actually the PC. This was actually the laptop that I used to stream and do everything on, but now I'm actually using my PC for everything. Except that I'm using this Mac to edit my videos, thumbnails, and so on. So this is just like a working corner. Yeah. Over here we've got some more. Oops, this is in the wrong place. Finn Balor, stay there. It's from the NXT edition from that box. And here we've got the collector's edition from Tekken 7, Kazuya and Heihachi Mishima. We've got Batman, we've got some Legos and a toy Yoda. Get it? And Darth Vader, yeah. So over here we've got my 40-inch Sony flat screen TV. I've got the PS1, 2, 3, and this is what you can use to control all of my speakers. Yeah. And over here we've got my PS4 controller. It's still charging. And this is one of our biggest achievements as a band. This is our debut EP, as well as our very first tour with a special guest. And yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, so this was basically it for today's video. It was a pleasure doing a Game Room Tour 2.0. So if there's any question about my Mac or my PC or even my room in general, let me know down in the comments. And hey, if you want to see me stream, well, I'm going to stream for the rest of 2019 here on YouTube and sometimes on Twitch, but after January 1st of 2020 I'm going to move all of my streams on Twitch besides the live stream, chill live stream. So if you haven't followed me on Twitch yet, go ahead, The link will be in the description box down below. Click it. Let's see if we can get to 80 followers on Twitch. That would be insane. So until then, I'll see you all again next time. Peace.